Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here in Sedona, Arizona. Nice picture here. Let's turn this around. See if I can do this one-handed. There's Bell Rock right outside our window. Beautiful. Anyway, I just want to do an intro to this video because this is the first time I've narrated one. So be kind. Not something I've ever done before. I've got it all in fast forward, and it's just showing you guys our second H post that we built yesterday. So enjoy. Okay, here we go. We are setting up, getting ready to do our second H post. This was easier. I just turned on the camera, left it running, turned it off at one point, and then turned it back on again. My husband taught me a lot during this. So the first thing I'm doing here is cutting one of the pipes at an angle, 45 degree, and then he gets a second one set up. This should be pretty quick with as fast as this is going. Yep, second one done. And then we have to clean up the edges. I'm waiting on him, obviously. What's he's learning how to cope, C-O-U-P, where we have to do the H part of the brace down below. Had a little bit of problem with the power as he was doing this, so I had to move the cord. So that's what he's doing here, just trying to get a template of what we're going to need for the next portion to put on these after we're done. I am not sure how many H braces and how many N braces, N posts, H posts, whatever you call them, we're going to need. But doing this metal work is all new to me. He's teaching me how. Then he takes over. Oh, and I hate that when the sparks hit me in the face. He's like, oh, it doesn't hurt. My skin's older. It hurts. Now we're getting ready for him to weld. He's got to get it all at a 90-degree angle, and then he welds it all together. Oh, he had some issues with the feeder too, so it's nice to be able to see what he's doing now, because you can't look at the arc when he's doing it, obviously, because your eyes will get sunburnt. I'm kind of glad I'm out of the picture here because I got the pipe in between my legs holding it up. Now he's cleaning it up, teaching me how. I have too light of a hand. He doesn't like it. He wants a heavy hand when you're doing it. I told him, you know what? It still does the same thing, except for the fact that it might take me a little bit longer. But I got the hang of it. And by the time we were done with the whole H post, minus the H part, minus the bar in between, just the top and the two sides. We had some electricity issues here, so it's only a couple of seconds worth. I had to go redo the breaker, and then he started it and then popped the breaker and had to go reset it. And I didn't move the camera. I ended up turning it off. At some point. That's it. Thanks for joining us.